Watch our compilation to find what you need. Enjoy your DIYs. Do you need to wash a bottle? The ordinary sponge is too big to pass through the neck. Make a bottle sponge with a handle. Cut off a scouring pad. Pierce a piece of wire through the sponge. Add another piece to make the handle firmer. Let's check how it works. Perfect! You can use this practical bottle sponge for washing a thin glass or a tall vase. You can make the handle as long as you need to reach the bottom. You can't see through your sunglasses, can you? It's time to clean them. Clean the glasses with a little bit of toothpaste. Such a polish cleans your glasses fast and protects them from dust and dirt. Be careful to choose smooth toothpaste without hard particles. Cutting an onion is an unpleasant and tragic activity. It provokes tears and makes your hands and a cutting board smell awful. How to get rid of the ghastly smell? Toothpaste can help. Wash your hands with toothpaste first. Rinse them under the running water. Apply some paste on the cutting board. Rub it with a sponge. And voila! The smell has disappeared quickly and easily. Has your drawing gone beyond its borderline? Don't worry, we know how to put it right. Use toothpaste to remove wax crayon or marker from a tabletop. Apply the paste on the brush and rub it against the traces. Wipe the paste with a paper napkin. There are no traces of the wax left over. Use the same method to remove color traces from painted walls or wallpaper that can be washed. If you need to clean your mirror, use toothpaste. Squeeze a little paste on the mirror. Take a paper napkin and wipe it carefully in circular motions. Get your mirror sparkling with this clever trick. Enjoy looking in a clean mirror. Have you stepped into mud wearing your sneakers with a white sole? Your sneakers must live a secret life. Otherwise, why do they get dirty so quickly? To clean the white sole of your sneakers, apply toothpaste on it and rub it with a sponge. Just look, there's no spot left. How do you clean burn stains from your cookware? Have you guessed? Certainly, use toothpaste. Apply the paste onto the stain and rub it with a sponge. The stains disappeared. The cookware is shining like new. Quickly bowl on and go straight to a robotics meeting to discuss its 3 laws. What can be more exciting than bead weaving? Only collecting your seed beads scattered all around. My friend brings a vacuum cleaner. Calm down, I've got a life hack. Pull an old nylon sock onto a vacuum cleaner brush and collect all the beads from the table. Be careful to take off the sock while the vacuum cleaner is still on. Otherwise, you'll keep collecting the beads endlessly. Everything should be within easy reach while cleaning. This is why I've got an organizing belt. It's the hottest new cleaning trend. Cut the waistband with pockets off your old jeans you don't wear anymore. Put dusters, sponges, or gloves into the pockets. Put spray bottles into the belt loops. I've got all the necessary stuff in my organizing belt, from a cloth up to cleaning liquid. I wish I had an extra pair of hands to wipe off dust instead of me. Yuck! The table is so dirty and sticky. But my friend is rushing to rescue me with her home disinfectant. Put a couple of thyme sprigs into an empty spray bottle. Fill 3/4 of the bottle with water. Pour in vinegar up to the top. Close the bottle. Spray the disinfectant on the dirty table and wipe it off with a rag. It seems my friend likes the effect. Now she wants to disinfect everything around, including me. Don't do it, it's for the furniture. Come here, my favorite teddy bear. Achoo! Why is this teddy bear so dusty? It's time to clean the fur. Take a lint roller and clean a stuffed toy with it. I'm sure that my teddy bear likes this cleaning care. Besides, it's got an exclusive head massage. It seems this microwave was cleaned last time when mammoths wandered around this kitchen. You'll have to do your best to scrape this dirt off. Stop worrying that much. I have an easy way. Use water with lemon. Pour water into a bowl. Squeeze some lemon juice into it. Cut a lemon and toss it in the water. Put it into the dirty microwave oven. Choose the maximum power setting and keep it on for 5 minutes. Then take out the bowl and wipe the oven with a wet cloth. You will have no trouble cleaning your microwave after this lemon therapy. Oh yeah, I'm a real cleaning guru. I will disinfect a sponge in the clean microwave oven. Dampen a sponge with water, squeeze it out, and put it into the microwave for 1 minute. I throw the sponge into the microwave with flair. Well, maybe I'm not that much of a cleaning guru. I'd better put the sponge neatly and wait a minute. Finally, it's ready. Watch out, dirt! An oven rack is never tidy enough, but we will change it with the help of our special sponge. Make cuts in a sponge up to the abrasive side. Make 2 long ones and 3 cross cuts so that you get a grid. With this cut sponge, your oven rack will be clean in the blink of an eye. Why may a toaster need a toothbrush? It has no teeth. It's easy. It's our new life hack. Clean all the crumbs from the thin hollows in a toaster with an old toothbrush. Be careful to take the plug out of the outlet. Put the toaster on its side and clean the inside indentations and details in the same way. A toaster has a removable tray underneath. Take it out and shake off the crumbs. A toothbrush helps take care of the toaster hygiene. No food remains should be left in your kitchen appliances. There's a dirty mirror in the bathroom, but a regular rug makes it worse. Use a window wiper for cars. A couple of simple motions, and there are no blotches on the mirror. Have trolls had a bath in your sink? I know what to do. Your all-time favorite citrus fruit will help you clean your sink from lime scale or rust. Cut a grapefruit in half and sprinkle it with a lot of salt. Take the grapefruit and start scrubbing your tap, sink, or bathtub. Then wipe it with a cloth. Now, just revel in the best-smelling shower you may ever experience. Are you still combining yoga and cleaning? You deserve something better, Cinderella. For example, my invention, Mop Sock. Cut a mop pad in half. Hot glue Velcro next to the cutout on each half. Put a sock on your hand and into the pocket on the other end of the pad. Attach the sock heel to the Velcro. You'll be able to take it off easily for washing. Use these smart mop socks to turn your cleaning into rock and roll. Clean the floor dancing. The whole world keeps shining around you. There are still no clean dishes, but I've got a life hack. It's a smart dishwashing glove. Cut an abrasive part from a sponge. Cut it up into 5 strips. Trim the soft part to fit your palm. Cut out a hole for your thumb. Hot glue the abrasive strips to the fingers of a rubber glove. Attach the sponge to the palm. Put dishwashing liquid into your glove. Wash the dishes quickly and easily. It seems that the keyboard lives its own life while I'm gone. Otherwise, how can I explain all this dirt around the buttons? But I know how to remove it. To clean the keyboard, dip a Q-tip into nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol and wipe the keyboard. A couple of movements will make your keyboard shine again. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss the most interesting hacks.